Do you find yourself wanting to snack all the time? Maybe munching here and there, just little bits of whatever you can find around the house. And then you find that at the end of the day, you've eaten too many calories or it's keeping you from reaching your goals. We're going to talk all about different ideas that maybe you can use in your meal plan to stay on track and get the results you're looking for. Now, quite honestly, the snack list that I have here is far from exhaustive. I know there's so many different ideas out there that people can use to get results still, to stay on track in their meal plan. These are just some of the ones that I know I've found for myself are satisfying, are really good tasting, and help me to stay on track. But if you have any extras, make sure you comment down below the ones that you enjoy snacking on that help you to reach your goals as well. One of my favorites, my wife's favorites, and I know many clients that we have, they love popcorn. Now, popcorn is not something you think of when you think of a healthy snack, usually. Now, it's probably because you're thinking of the big bag of popcorn you get at the movie theaters, doused in butter, doused in salt, all kinds of stuff. Yeah, that's not healthy. You're way too many calories. What I'm talking about, though, is really homemade popcorn, or even there's a couple brands out there that have low-calorie popcorn snacks, something like a Skinny Pop. But really my favorite is just homemade popcorn. It's really simple to do. Buying the popcorn kernels, popping them yourselves, whether it's in a pan or like an air fryer or an air popper, something like that. The calories becomes really low if you do it this way. You can put a little bit of salt on it, maybe sprinkle some butter or some sort of oil on it to give it a little bit of flavor. That's fine. Just make sure that you know what kind of calories you're putting in there. The carbs aren't that bad, and it's usually right around like 90 or 100 calories, and it becomes pretty big once you pop it. So check out popcorn if that's a flavor that you enjoy. You might enjoy doing it yourself, popping it at home, getting a great snack in. The next snack idea that we have is something that's maybe super obvious, but maybe we don't even think about it. It's just a protein smoothie. Take your protein powder that you have, that you use for different meals. Maybe you consider that to be more of a meal. But if you just throw that in with some water and maybe almond milk or a little bit of stevia to flavor it, give it some more sweetness than it even has, it can feel like a really good treat, a sweet snack that you can really sip over the course of, a half hour or so. With that extra protein, it's going to help you to be less hungry as well. It's very satisfying, helps the body feel like it's not hungry. So try a protein shake if you're in that snacking mood, if you need something. One of my go-to snacks especially when I'm on a diet, I'm prepping for something or trying to lose fat, is just a simple rice cake. You can get these things for super cheap at the store. You can get them with flavors on them. I love the apple cinnamon one. You could try that out. I know there's a ton of other ones, but a basic rice cake, you can have a couple of them, and I think each one is about 50 calories. So 2 of them are fairly satisfying. It gets that munching feeling out of your system, and it's only about 100 calories if you're having 2. So try out rice cakes. You might actually enjoy them more than you think you will, especially if you grab some of those flavored ones. Try out those flavored ones. Leave me a comment down below if you find a flavor that maybe you'd never tried before and you enjoy. I'd love to hear it. I might want to try that out. So give me a comment down below with your favorite flavor. Now, one of my, I don't know if it's a guilty pleasure or just a love. I love peanut butter. I crave it all the time. Unfortunately, peanut butter is one of the worst foods to be on a diet. The calories per little bit that you get is just not worth it. So I go without peanut butter for months on end if I'm on a diet or trying to cut. But a great alternative, if you love the flavor but don't want the calories, is PB Fit. PB Fit has, I think, about half the calories or a third of the calories of normal peanut butter, and yet you can put a little bit of water with it, stir it up, and it becomes pretty much the same consistency as a creamy peanut butter. You can put it on bread, put it on, you can just have that peanut butter flavor in a smoothie or in a shake. Great tasting, helps get rid of that snacking feeling, that want for something more in your diet. So check out PB Fit, try that stuff out. Now, the next snack is one of those ones that my wife kind of got me to try or to start doing. It's because it's such a low calorie snack, but yet sometimes mentally, let's be honest, and I comment if this is how you guys feel. When you're dieting, especially if it's pretty low calories for an extended time, sometimes you just mentally need to be chewing on something. You just need to feel like you're putting something in your body, even if there's not much value to it, and it needs to be low calories, right? Cucumbers and then some sort of low calorie dip. You can find your own. I'll give you a couple examples. I love low calorie ranch dressing, some hummus, as long as you stay away from the really sugary stuff, is pretty good. Healthy fats are in there as well. But cucumber has next to nothing as far as calories, and yet you're getting that chewy flavor, that chewing out of your system. Check it out. Cucumbers and hummus or ranch, as long as it's low fat, something like that will definitely satisfy that craving of just needing to chew on something, needing to put things in your body. It'll help you with that. Check it out. Let me know if you enjoy it too. All right, now this is a little bit more gourmet, it seems like, but you can pick this up at the grocery store fairly simply. Looking for crackers and salmon, smoked salmon, preferably. It's my favorite. But getting like a gluten-free cracker is pretty low calories usually, and then you can get like a smoked salmon, dried or maybe not even dried, but you can get that from the grocery store, and you just snack on that. It's not only satisfying that snacking feeling, that want for, to be chewing on something, but also adding to your protein intake, which, can we say, is super hard when you're trying to snack in a low calorie way. The protein is going to help you build the muscles, burn more fat, as well as feel more satisfied in general. So check out that. You can use tuna or whatever, but I love some smoked salmon and crackers. Why don't you give that one a try? Now, I know this was just a super short, quick video about snacks, which, let's be honest, snacking, it can go on and on and on. Both the feeling and the topic to discuss. It's something I love to hear about. I love to hear about new foods, come up with new snacks as well. I would love to hear your favorite snack ideas that help keep you on track. Make sure you leave me a comment down below with your favorite. Also, hit the thumbs up if you got value out of this, if you found any of these helpful. One of the things, though, that I have found is the sweet tooth. I know many people, we didn't really cover having a sweet tooth or getting rid of that. But check out this video right here where I talk all about how to make some of your favorite snacks substituted with low-calorie ingredients. So check that out. Subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and I will see you next time.